This is question number 2 from section B. This is related to the I.U.P.A.C naming of transition complexes. So there are 4 complexes given here. The first one is chromium, En is ethylene diamine, and NO3 twice. NO3 thrice, sorry. So it means if we know that nitrate has -1 charge, if 3 nitrate are there, so definitely there should be total -3 charge. So there would be +3 on this coordination sphere. And En, what is En? En is actually ethylene diamine. This is ethylene diamine. So it is a bidentate ligand. And another important thing is that it is neutral ligand. If it is neutral ligand, it has no charge. So it means the 3+ charge is due to the chromium. So chromium has 3+ charge. So what is the rule of writing I.U.P.A.C name? The I.U.P.A.C name is written in a way that the positive part is written first and the negative part. So this is the coordination sphere, and the coordination sphere is positive here. In coordination sphere, we first write the name of the ligands. The ligand is ethylene diamine. If the ligand is an organic ligand, then the number we should use tris, bis, tris, etc. So it should be tris ethylene diamine. There should be no gap. Ethylene diamine. Ethylene diamine. And as the coordination sphere is positive, that's why the name of the chromium is written as it is. So we write chromium. And then we write the oxidation number of chromium here. And finally, with the gap, spectral are written with a space, and we write it nitrate. And we will not write trinitrate. Nitrate is enough. Okay. So the name of this coordination complex is tris ethylene diamine chromium 3 nitrate. Now come to the next coordination sphere is platinum, diamine, 2 amino group are there, and 2 chlorine are there. And overall charge is 2+. So if overall charge is 2+, then you have to find the oxidation number of platinum. So overall charge 2+, 2 chlorine, each chloride, sorry. Each chloride is -1, plus ammonia is 0. So 2 multiplied by 0 remains 0. And PT, you can write PT as it is. Okay. So in this way, if you will calculate, then you find that it is PT plus 0, 2 into -1 is equal to -2 is equal to +2. So PT is equal to +4. So the charge on platinum is +4. Now again, the coordination sphere is positive and there is no spectator ion. It itself is written in the form of ion. So what should be the name? Two ligands are there. Chloride, we use the word chloro, suffix prefix chloro for chloride, and amine for ammonia. Amine starts with A and chloride with C. So we first write diamine, and remember that in the spelling of amine, there should be double M because in ammonia, double M is there. So we write diamine, dichloro, no gap. Remember that there is no gap. I'm changing the color just to make you understand. Dichloro, and again, no gap. Now we'll write the name of the transition element as it is because it is the positive ligand, platinum. Its oxidation number is 4. We have written this. And then we write with a space ion. So the name of this complex is diamine dichloroplatinum 4 ion. Now the next one is zinc OH4 overall charges -2. So find the oxidation number with the same pattern. Zinc plus 4OH, and each one has -1 charge. Overall charge is -2. So this is -4 because it has -1 charge. We can write like this. -2. So zinc is equal to 4 -2, that is +2. And secondly, you must note that zinc is always having +2 charge. Okay. So now we are to write the name of the complex. There are 4 hydroxide ions. So tetra, tetra means 4. Hydroxide. So we will write hydroxo, tetrahydroxo. But here, instead of writing zinc, we write zincat because Cartesian sphere is negative. Zincat. So this at is due to the negative charge on the Cartesian sphere, and the charge of zincat is 2, and then we use ion. So 2 ions are there here. One is anion, one is cation, but we can find it whether it is positive or negative by observing the charge of the name of the metal. If name of the metal has 8, it means the ion is negative. If it has the complete its English name, then it is positive or neutral. Now the fourth one is Na3CO C2O4 thrice. First is Na3, this is cobalt, and then C2O4 thrice. So actually, what is here? Here again, the Cartesian sphere is negative because if it is 3, so it has 3 minus charge. And remember that this C2O4 is oxalate ion. Oxalate is this. This is the structure of oxalate. This is the bidentate ligand. It has 2 minus charge. So if you find the oxidation number of cobalt, then remember that there are 3 sodium. Each sodium has +1 charge. 1 cobalt is there, plus 3 oxalate group are there. And oxalate has 2 minus charge. And overall charge is 0. So this is 3 plus cobalt. 3 twos are 6 minus 6. So cobalt is equal to -3 is equal to 0 because this is 3. If it is in plus, it is positive, it is negative. So the cobalt has +3 charge. So we have found the charge as well. So now first we will write sodium because we write positive part first and we give some space. Then we will write tris oxalator because it is organic ligand. Tris oxalator. And as the coordination sphere is negative, so we will write cobaltate, cobaltate, and the oxidation number of cobalt is 3 plus. So the name of the compound is sodium trioxalato cobaltate 3.